we have raised our girls equally as boys. They are second degree and third degree black belt in Taekwondo.
That's not equal.
I mean, I should say better. They are prepared to handle any challenge in life. We are blessed by getting daughters like Nimmi and Nidhi. We do not ask for anything else from God. Most of Nimmi's achievements and talents are known to most of you. There are few that I would like to describe. She won many debates and speech competition. She won many taekwondo competition and even went for world championship. I am really proud of her creative writing and speeches. Her art and painting skill is amazing. I have not seen anybody to make better greeting cards than her. The greeting cards looks like a machine made, not handmade. I am proud of her various talent, but the most proud of her being a good human being. She is not only very modest, but also very dedicated towards her passion for betterment and empowerment of women, and her desire to help less fortunate. She is second mother to Nidhi, although when they fight like a 2 years old. Last year, she has been treating us like, since last a couple of years, she has been treating us as that she is our mother. Time to time, she will say, "You senior citizens shouldn't do this kind of thing." She started her journey of helping women at early age. In the 9th grade, she wrote a petition to President of United States to improve the lives of women in Afghanistan. She started a club called Women's Help Organization, and she raised funds for women's shelter. She went to India to teach taekwondo to blind girls. In college, she lived in Widow's Ashram in Vrindavan, India. And published an article to improve their life. And after undergraduate, she went to India for 1 year on Fulbright scholarship for betterment and empowerment of women in India, especially in villages. During her stay in India, she lived in a substandard environment without any complaint. Now she is going to Harvard for residency in OBGYN. I am confident that with this new skill, she will continue her passion towards her lifelong goal of helping women even more. Now the question, where did she get all this talent and good personality? Obviously not from me. So there is a theory that kids get more genes from their grandparents than parents. And that theory has worked out in our favor. She got painting and drawing skill from her nani. She got good writing and speech skill from her nana. And also the punctuality. If Nimmi has exam at 8 a.m., she will get there at 6 a.m. And that is after her nana. She start packing for 1 week in advance if she has to go somewhere. Her willpower and caring for loved ones are similar to my mother. My mother raised 3 kids as a single mother successfully with a lot of willpower and a lot of caring. And that's what Nimmi has. She started caring for us and I think everybody around like Nidhi. Her modesty and kindness are after my father. My father was Pandit in local Jain society, very simple person. Now the most important aspect of her life. Where she got the genes basically is from her looks and features. Obviously she got from Rani, no doubt about that. When they are standing, all Nimmi, Nidhi and Rani standing together, many people have said that they look like 3 sisters, and I agree completely. Rani has the biggest contribution for success of Nimmi. Rani worked tirelessly day after day taking care of Nimmi for many things, for like helping her with speech and debate, teaching her time management and good habits and discipline. And even after Nimmi went to college, she will think about Nimi, whether she has eaten or not. Before she put any even single bite in her mouth, she will think about Nimi and Nidhi, whether they have eaten or not, every single day. And every single day she will have to make sure that she is talking to them before they. She will not go to sleep if she will not. She has not talked to them once in a day. And that is what made them successful, basically. You must be wondering, and what did she get from me? Well, they got two things, at least two things from me, and that is forgetfulness and losing and breaking things. So Nimmi is expert in losing and breaking things. She lost a brand new, top of the line BlackBerry phone within a week, and that time iPhone was not there. BlackBerry was the highest possible. And she has broken 2 screens of the iPhone recently. She has broken many laptops. Obviously, many phones, many like house phones too. She used to stand and rock on the rocking chair, and that she broke that rocking chair by standing, and instead of sitting on it, she used to stand. So Viral, be careful. Don't give her any delicate or expensive thing. But there is exception. Exception is that she is keeping her ring so carefully, she's so dedicated to that ring that shows me that she really loves you. This is the first materialistic thing that she's taking care of. I must say, my liberal attitude and Rani's conservative and disciplined and religious attitude have provided them the balanced lifestyle. Nimi, many congratulations for Harvard, many congratulations for MD degree, and now congratulations for being a Dr. Maste. Nimi has actually glorified the last name Maste, and now we can proudly keep that last name. Like Rani had, when we got married, she used to like Jain last name, because Jain is associated with more prestigious, like honest and trustworthy people. So she wanted to keep that. But now she says that now I love Maste more than Jain, because Nimi has glorified that. Okay, the most important congratulation is still due, and that is congratulations Nimi for finding Viral for your life partner. Without a good life partner, life is incomplete, and I think that is the biggest congratulation compared to anything else. I have not seen more caring boy than Viral. He is smart, practical, and obviously good cook. They complete each other very well. Rani and I open our hearts and arms to welcome Saha family and their relatives and friends. And our relatives and friends. We pray that our bond will get stronger each day, and we will celebrate many more happy days like this. We feel very fortunate that Nimi found a new set of parents. They are very loving and caring, and found a brother like Nick, who is very kind and caring too. The biggest thing we achieved in this relationship that we got a son like Viral. Before we met Viral, we never missed a son in our life, but after meeting and knowing Viral, we truly feel that he is our son. He is caring not only for his own parents and Nimi, but he equally takes care of us whenever he gets a chance for it. If we drive somewhere with him, he always offers to drive and make us relax. We love you, Viral, and welcome to Maste family. Similar to many Indian parents, I do not say I love you often to Rani and my daughters. I want to take this opportunity to fix that. Rani, thanks for giving me like Nimi and Nidhi daughters. I love you for that. Nimi, I love you unconditionally, as I always say. I love you no matter what happens. My love to you will never change, and do not hesitate to pursue your dreams. Uh, one most important thing is actually, it's not here, which I want to say, is that people say in India that the kids are raised by a village. But I will say that this engagement party was organized by his village. I had help for so many friends and relatives, I cannot, unbelievable. Everything was falling in place just like God wished this. Like Mehta, I mean, they have done so much tremendous. Mr. Roy, our neighbors. I mean, I'm going to obviously miss somebody's name, but I think everybody was helping. So, and our brother, my brother Rohit Bhai and Bhabiji are here from India, and they helped so much. I couldn't believe this complete without him. There was so much work left last few days, and I'm going to again miss. And everybody was chipping in, like Rakesh and Krishna and Rishi. I'm going to miss somebody I know. And again, Amrit and Guru Bhai, and they have helped so much. Sonia, and she did the makeup. There are so many thanks to so many people. And obviously, Viral and his family helped us so much now and in the past for everything. And everybody cooperated. And I'm glad everybody is here to bless Nimmi and Viral. That means lots to us. And again, I love you, Nimmi and Viral. And